The intelligent safety button is located on the center dash. It allows you to activate, deactivate, and customize some settings of frontal collision warning, lane departure warning, blind spot detection, and side collision warning. Frontal collision warning and pedestrian warning cannot be deactivated. When the intelligent safety button is green, all driver assistance safety functions are currently active. Press the button once to view the current settings menu. Inside the settings menu, you can choose to turn on all functions, select or deselect individual functions, and to configure options such as setting your delay time and activating or deactivating steering intervention. A checkbox activates the function. An empty box means you do not want that function to be active. To turn off all driver assistance safety functions, press and hold the intelligent safety button until the light goes off. To turn all functions back on, press the button again. If the ISB is orange, this indicates that at least one or more functions are turned off. Please note that all safety systems are on by default each time you turn on the car.